This video is ideal for businesses wanting to learn how to attract and nurture leads in the B2B space. B2B lead generation, the key to growing your business. Are you struggling to generate quality leads for your business? Today, we'll explore how B2B lead generation works, why it's vital for growth, and what strategies can drive success. What is B2B lead generation? B2B lead generation is the process of identifying and attracting potential business clients. Unlike B2C, where you're selling to individual consumers, in B2B, you're targeting other businesses. The goal is to create a system that brings interested businesses to your doorstep. Lead generation is the art of finding the right people at the right time. Why lead generation matters. Why does lead generation matter in B2B? Without it, your sales team is left chasing cold prospects. With it, you focus your time on clients who already show interest in your product or service. It builds a pipeline of potential customers, improving conversion rates and long-term success. Quality leads can transform a struggling business into a thriving one. The core principles of effective B2B lead generation. Effective lead generation starts with 3 core principles: targeting, engagement, and nurturing. Targeting. The first step is identifying your ideal client. You must know their pain points, goals, and decision-making processes. Engagement. Once you know who to target, the next step is engagement. This means offering valuable content and solutions that resonate with your audience. Think white papers, webinars, and case studies. Nurturing. Leads rarely convert instantly. Nurturing them with follow-up emails, personalized messaging, and continued value is essential. It's about building trust over time. Strategies that work. Let's talk about some strategies that have proven successful for B2B lead generation. 1. Content marketing. Content is king. Creating high-quality content that addresses your target market's problems can attract the right prospects. Blog posts, case studies, and industry reports are excellent tools. 2. LinkedIn networking. LinkedIn is a goldmine for B2B leads. By building connections and sharing valuable insights, you can build authority and trust with potential clients. 3. Email campaigns. Effective email campaigns can nurture leads over time. The key is to provide relevant content at each stage of the buyer's journey. 4. Webinars and online events. Hosting webinars or virtual events can position you as an industry expert. It's a chance to showcase your knowledge while engaging with potential leads in real time. Inspiration and closing. Lead generation is an ongoing process that demands patience, persistence, and creativity. But here's the thing. Every great business starts with a lead. It's about building relationships and providing value. Success doesn't come overnight, but with the right approach, it does come. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single lead. Remember, each lead is an opportunity to grow your business and build lasting partnerships. Thanks for watching. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more B2B marketing tips and drop a comment below with your favorite strategy.